Hello and welcome. I'm Annette Reeder from thebiblicalnutritionist.com, and today I'm answering your questions. And the questions today are all related to stem cell regeneration. Yes, there are some videos that I have put out there to teach you just the basics, the simplicity of stem cells. And because of that, you've sent some really good questions into our office. And I want to say thank you for replying to us and letting us know what's on your heart and mind. And also, thank you for being a part of the Biblical Nutritionist family. If you want to submit your questions, go to the Facebook group Biblical Nutrition Academy, and when you enter, we're going to say, what's your question you would like to have answered? Now, you can ask more questions in the Facebook group, but specifically when you join, we're going to say, hey, what's your question? Also, I love answering your questions because I get to give away free gifts. And one of the gifts that we're giving away today is the omega supplement. And that is because omegas are so important. If you have high cholesterol, it helps to bring it down. If you have inflammation, it helps to get your body to be able to get rid of it. Also, omegas help your hormones to function like they're supposed to. So we want to have good healthy fish in our diet, good healthy fats in our diet. But if you aren't getting enough, then taking a supplement might be the answer for you. Now, if you're like my husband, he doesn't want to eat fish. Sometimes I can get him to do it. So he would no, give me an omega supplement, is what he says. So I'm going to share at the very end of this video who's going to get this for free today. So I want to send it to someone who left a review of one of my books on either Amazon or one of our websites, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. Can't wait to share this at the end. So stay tuned, it might be you. Oh, well, wait a minute. You say you didn't write a review yet of my books? Well, go do it now so your name can get put in for the drawing. All right, let's answer your questions today. The question submitted is, I recently had surgery to remove 3 neurological endocrine tumors. They were small. One was on the tail of my pancreas, the other 2 were on different lobes of my liver. My nutrition has always been important, but now it's imperative that I focus on stem cell regeneration. Do you have any suggestions on what to eat? Submitted by Connie. Yes, but first we need to get a good set of labs that will tell us where the inflammation is and what your hormone levels are. That will tell us more specifically how to change the diet and what supplements we need to do. Now, diet is always based on the 3 principles. Eat organic, lots of fruits and vegetables, include onions, garlic, herbs, and lots of purified water. Add in that citrus drink that I showed you in that video about enjoying these citrus fruits, and also enjoy 1 cup of raw cruciferous every single day. Avoid dairy unless you know the farmer yourself. Avoid meat unless you know the farmer or you trust the company that you're buying from. Now, just make sure you get in good fruits and vegetables. Raw should be at least 50% of your diet every day. Mushrooms, onions, those foods, different herbs, turmeric, coumarin, all of these different herbs, basil, they all help to build new stem cells. And if we can get the stem cells working for us and we're reducing our stress level, because hormonal tumors are typically related to stress as well, then we have the recipe for amazing healing. I hope this helps, Connie. Let me know. A question submitted says, I cannot seem to tolerate raw onions. Can cooked onions help with healing stem cells? Submitted by Nicole. Well, the beauty of God's design is that we have a multitude of foods that bring healing. Now, onions are in, and I may not say this right, but it's the Alliaceae family. So see if you can enjoy leeks or garlic or chives or shallots. Also, taking an enzyme may be the answer to enjoying onions again. If not, then there are plenty of other foods that bring healing. So the key points here are to eat by the 3 principles, eat organic as much as possible, and include fasting 3 meals every week. I teach all of this in the 7 steps to amazing biblical health. If you want to go more in depth into the 3 principles, then check out the Treasures of Healthy Living Bible Study. Now, if you're new to this channel and you just caught onto this, the Biblical Nutritionist family, the 3 principles are this. Eat the foods God called good for us. Number 2, eat those foods as close to the way God designed them. And number 3, don't let any food become a god. No addictions is what I'm saying. Well, I hope this has been very helpful to you. And stem cells it's another way that God's revealing in science His amazing creation in our body. Now, let's get to today's winner. So today's winner is Karina. Karina, thank you for submitting a review of one of my books. And if you are watching and you're saying, hey, I want to win a gift, then go ahead and leave a review of one of my books on Amazon or my website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. Karina, you're going to get some omegas. So send us an email at info@thebiblicalnutritionist.com. Well, I can't wait to send this out to you. For the rest of you, I'll put a link down below, plus a coupon code. You can get this yourself. Remember, it's for cholesterol, it's for your heart, it's for your hormones, for your skin, for your less inflammation, you name it. We need some fats in our diet. Well, thanks for letting me share with you God's recipe for excellent health. And that always includes the #1 ingredient, which is God loves you. He loves you with an amazing, everlasting love. And He desires to have a personal relationship with you. And He is the one true God, the living God, and He loves you. Thanks for watching.